Hi everybody, how you're doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So today we're going to be doing a review of this dress that I made. I'm going to put a picture up there of the inspiration. I saw this dress on Instagram and I just had to do it. You know, I mean, you see something and let's do it. If you can sew, well, good for you. So I'm going to be telling you about the patterns I used for this dress, the fabric, you know, and everything on how I created this dress. So keep on watching. I'll see you soon. Welcome back, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Nidu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Texas. So let's just dive right into the video. But before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Help your girl grow. Okay, so you guys will see more content, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified. So let's dive in. So for the pattern I used for this dress, I used my basic bodice, but I created the style line. Like I created like a bustier with an illusion in the middle, you know, and I created the bottom part using the basic pencil skirt, made it to the length I want, added the slit at the back for easy movement. Then the fabric I used this lace. I don't have a link because I got it like 5 years ago, right? But you can use any lace, you can use anything literally, you know. So and then for the first lining, because I used two, I used Duchess satin, but in nude. I didn't want it to be all blue, you know. I wanted to give it a different color to construct, do you understand, like, you know, something different, you know. And then for the lining inside, I used crepe satin because it's lighter. Duchess satin is a bit thick, you know, so the dress is not too heavy, but it still has a bit of structure. And then because it has a detachable skirt. The skirt is detachable. It's not attached to the dress. Yeah. So what I did was cut 2 circles for the back, 2 half circles, and then I attached it to a waistband. So what I did is, you know, your waist is 20, the length of your waist plus 1 inch, attach a zipper, you know, attach it to the back, you know, attach a zipper. What I would do differently is attach the skirt part at the back, the center of the back, and then overlap it to have like a closure by this side, so it's easy for you to just put in, because having to wear from underneath, I didn't really like it, but I mean, what works for you or your client. So for this detachable skirt and the sleeve, I got 7 yards. You know how circle eats a lot of fabric. So for the sleeve, what I did was it's a detachable sleeve basically. So let's say for instance your sleeve is your sleeve length, like mine is 27 because I'm tall. So if you're gonna do like what's it called, off shoulder, from the shoulder to the part, you decide how low you want it. So I took out like 6 inches, so what's left will be 21 inches. And then for the puffs, this puffy effect, you know, this puffy effect, and then this is the cuff. For the cuff I wanted 5 inches, so you take away 5 inches from 21, you basically have 16 inches. So I did not cut 16 inches, I cut 19 inches, because by the time you put elastic, it shortens the length. And of course I pleated the bottom part to the cuff of the sleeve. I hope you understand. Ask any questions in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And basically that's that. Detachable skirt, a bustier train dress, and a zipper at the back. I didn't want to do like the lace closure, and voila, you have this amazing, beautiful dress, if I may say so myself. I created it now, so I have to hide the dress. If I know hype, I'm gonna hype. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. But remember what I always say, what God cannot do does not exist. See you guys soon. Bye.